Hello, in this video I want to show you the importance of Facebook page. Now, number one, your Facebook page forms your business identity or your office on Facebook. That is where people can contact you. That is where people can visit your business. It represents your business on Facebook. It is very, very important. Of all the people that are using Facebook, if they want to contact your business, they visit your page. In your page, they can see your phone number. In your page, they can see your website URL. In your page, they can learn a lot of things about your business. So your Facebook page is your identity on Facebook. Then number two, it helps you to reach more people for free without running ads. How does this happen? When anybody like or follow your page, anytime you create a post, people that like your page or follow your page will see it organically. They will see it for free. So it is not all the people that like your page that will see your post anyway at a time, but once in a while they see your post. So this means that you are reaching people for free. People are seeing your product for free because you have a Facebook page. So in this case, you are not running ad yet. Just by creating posts, people see your product or whatever you are doing, whether your service, you are a professional and you have a service that you are rendering, people will see it. That is those people that like and follow your page. Then another important thing that you have to enjoy from Facebook page is, without Facebook page you cannot run a profitable advertisement on Facebook and Instagram. Although some novice, people that just start, they just boost their post, and I like to tell you that boosting of post is not the ideal thing. The most important thing to do with Facebook advertisement is to run your advertisement in business manager account. This is more professional and this is more profitable. So without Facebook page you cannot run advertisement in business manager account. So this is very, very important. Now for you, in order to start running advertisement, if you want to reach more customers, you want to get more clients, irrespective of the business you do, irrespective of the product you sell, irrespective of the service you render, you could be a laundryman, you could be an architect, you could be a builder, you could be a civil engineer, whatever business you do, if you want to reach more people, then the ideal way to do is on Facebook. And if you want to start running ad, then the first step you have to take is to create your Facebook page. And I'm going to show you how to create your Facebook page in this video. So all you need to do is to go to your Facebook account. All you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. As you can see, I am in my Facebook account now. So if I want to create a Facebook page, you can go to home. You can see home here. You click on it and go to home or wherever you are. Then locate this plus icon. Then click on it and you see page here. Then click on it. Here this is where you are going to create your page now. And this is where you are going to type your name. The name of your business. Let's say your business is Jasper Nigeria Limited. Okay, this is your business name. And here you are going to type the category. What does your business do? Maybe your business is into construction. You can okay, you can put construction company here, or maybe your business is into e-commerce, then you can put e-commerce there. Okay, you can put e-commerce website there, or maybe you are a public profile. Anything, you can put it here. So let me put construction company here. Okay, then you are going to add the description of your business. What, in summary, what does your business do? So you have to summarize it. You are not going to write much here, so you summarize it and put a description of your company here, of your business, what you do, and make sure it capture what you do, so that people will be reading it, they want to know more about what your business do. This is what they will be reading. So then you hit create. After you hit create, you will see about page. Make sure you fill all the details. I don't want to create another page now. I have so many pages. So if I hit create now, it means this page is created. So make sure you fill all the necessary details. And this is where your logo is going to be. You can add your logo here. Then you can add your background photo here. These are very, very important. Make sure you fill it so that you look serious, because if you start running ad, Facebook staff will visit your page. They'll come and study your page to know what is happening in your page. And by the time they visit your page, if you don't have any serious thing happening, if you don't have all the details, they will disable your account. It's one of the things that make Facebook disable advertisers account. If there is no serious detail, it will look like that page is there to defraud people. So you have to be very, very serious with your page. You have to be very professional. Don't just create a page just for creating sake. You have to be serious with it. Let it represent your business. Fill all the detail and invite your friend to like your page. Invite as many as possible to like your page. Then you have to add your privacy policy link from your website. That is, if you have a website. If you don't have a website yet, then there is no problem about that. But if you have a website, add the privacy policy to your page. It is very, very important. Okay, so you fill all the details. Then after filling all the details, and you add your profile picture and your logo and your website, your email, your phone number, your everything, then you are going to, if you want to run advertisement, you can run page like, so that a lot of people will like your page. You may not spend so much money on that. You can spend like 2,000 naira, or you spend like 1,000 naira just for people to like your page, so that you have people that like your page. If there are no people that like your page, it is very, very risky, because Facebook may shut down your ad account. If no people like your page, that means people are not interested in what you do. So you have to run, your first ad should be page like, and that is an engagement objective. So by the time people like your page, you can get like 100 like, or you get like 300 likes. Then you are set to start selling your product or your services. So that is all about how to create a Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll go further in Facebook and Instagram advertising, and see you in that video. Bye.